Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
If you're seeing a C0267 code on your Chevy Silverado, it indicates an open circuit in the ABS pump motor, which means your anti-lock braking system isn't functioning correctly, often accompanied by the ABS light and possibly the traction control light illuminating on your dashboard. This issue can range from a simple blown fuse to a faulty ABS module or pump motor itself. Addressing this code is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's safety, as the ABS system prevents will lock up during hard braking, ensuring steering control. Before diving into diagnostics, always prioritize safety. Ensure your vehicle is on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the negative terminal of your battery to prevent accidental short circuits or electrical shocks. Our diagnostic journey begins with the simplest potential culprits. First, locate your underhood fuse box, typically marked and easily accessible. Inside, find the fuse designated for the ABS pump motor. Consult your owner's manual or the fuse box lid diagram for its exact location and amperage. Visually inspect the fuse for a broken filament. However, a visual check isn't always foolproof. It's best to use a multimeter set to continuity mode to confirm the fuse is truly intact. If the fuse is blown, replace it with one of the exact same amperage. A blown fuse often points to an underlying issue, so be prepared for it to blow again if a short circuit exists within the pump motor or its wiring. Next, we move to the wiring harness and connectors. The ABS module and pump assembly are usually located near the master cylinder. Carefully inspect the wiring leading to and from this unit. Look for any signs of damage, fraying, corrosion, or loose connections. Rodent damage is a common culprit for open circuits, as they love to chew on wires. Disconnect the main electrical connector to the ABS module and inspect the pins for bent, corroded, or pushed-out terminals. Clean any corrosion with electrical contact cleaner and a small brush. A poor connection here can easily mimic an open circuit. With the wiring visually inspected, we need to check for power and ground at the ABS pump motor connector itself. You'll typically need a wiring diagram for your specific Silverado model year to identify the correct power and ground pins for the pump motor. With the ignition on but the engine off, use your multimeter to check for 12 volts at the power supply wire and a good ground connection at the ground wire. If you have no power or ground, trace those wires back to their source, checking for breaks or shorts along the way. The ABS module itself controls the power to the pump motor, so a lack of power could also indicate an internal module fault. If power and ground are present at the connector, the next step is to test the ABS pump motor's internal resistance. Disconnect the electrical connector from the ABS pump motor. Set your multimeter to ohms and measure the resistance across the pump motor's terminals, the pins that lead directly into the motor itself, not the module's control pins. A healthy pump motor should show some low resistance value, e.g., a few ohms. If your multimeter reads OL, open loop, or infinite resistance, it confirms an open circuit within the pump motor's windings, meaning the pump motor itself is faulty and needs replacement. Often, the pump motor and the ABS control module are sold as a single assembly, making replacement a bit more involved. Finally, if the fuse is good, the wiring is intact, and the pump motor shows proper resistance, the issue likely lies within the ABS control module itself. The module contains internal relays and drivers that control the pump motor. A failure in these components can cause an open circuit code even if the external wiring and motor are fine. Replacing the ABS module often requires specific programming or bleeding procedures depending on the vehicle and the module's design, so consulting a professional or a service manual is recommended for this step. After any repair, clear the C0267 code using an OBD2 scanner. Take your Silverado for a test drive and verify the ABS light remains off. Don't forget to reconnect your battery terminal. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more automotive repair tips.